Hello everybody, I have a member of ASIRT here with me, Mr. Jatin. Hello Jatin sir, how are you?
I am good. I'm not sir. My name is Jatin. I'm from the Cybertech.
Oh wow, great. Thanks for giving me that freedom. So Jatin, how has been your journey with ASIRT?
So I've been in ASIRT, part of ASIRT family since the inception itself, and my journey has been wonderful.
That's great. So when you see ASIRT in this form, structure, so many people doing such a wonderful business, what's your feeling today? I think when you started, the things would have been different. And what do you feel when you see it happening today live in front of you?
So I will not say that I'm completely satisfied because my expectations year on year from ASIRT has grown.
So it's not enough. Of course, I think it's grown up to an extent, but there's long more. So what is your vision for ASIRT then?
So my vision for ASIRT is, truly speaking, I am not saying that I want it to be, a national body, but certainly, a body which is surpassing all the expectations of the national other bodies. And I will want, ASIRT members to grow in a very cohesive manner, in a very collaborative, is something which people have been talking about. But sometimes I see lack of consistency. And a lot of times I see, people jumping onto opportunity rather than creating opportunity. So if that is one area which ASIRT people can address, I think sky is the limit.
That's true. Because I think we all need to go beyond our thinking, imagination, and try something different to go to that next level. Okay. And personally, how ASIRT has helped you in doing your business or mindset or ideology or the way you work?
So what happens is, for me at least, I don't know about other members, my 70% of the business, it comes from ASIRT. So I probably am number one person of the entire ASIRT community would be deriving most of his business from ASIRT people. And looking at that, I know that ASIRT can do much more better, but ASIRT has definitely, touched upon, areas of my life very significantly. So personally, I have developed myself, professionally I have developed myself, and there is no area, which is left out. So trust me, beta, there are instances when I'm in need of some people, some help for my personal level. They are there.
Will walk in
They are there. They are
they
there.
do it.
In middle of the night, at 2 at night, they are there. And it's not just me. My wife, I will have number of a few ASIRT members, and she knows who to call up. And they are there. So I have expanded my family. That's all I can say.
And I think it's not just about one member of ASIRT being part of the community. I think entire family is involved. So what do you think about the involvement of your family with the family of other ASIRT members?
Oh, we are, some of us are very closely knit. In fact, forget about, going to movies together or spending times in restaurants together. We can spend, time on weekends or, festivities together. So what else can you ask for?
Yeah, that's true. A platform which can give you business, plus good friends, plus a long-lasting relationship. And I think you have been a pioneer in doing that. So congratulations on the journey of 11 years and looking forward to more growth and success for all the members at ASIRT. Thank you.